Yeah, it is right and it's very important for you to know how to make your man happy. Okay? Welcome to Daniel.T Relationship channel where we build successful relationship and marriage. My name is Daniel and in today's video I'm gonna hit your mind with how to make your man happy. But before that, I want to tell you something very important. I'm assuring you today that this video you're about to watch is very important and very special from the one I've been making or creating a very long time. Daniel.T Relationship is introducing something very important called reality opinion. Okay, so if you're talking about reality opinion, I'm talking about real opinion. So before I can just use my experience, or I can just gather a random solution to tackle some issues, or to solve some problems, or to answer some questions. But now there will be a specific way to answer all questions, to solve any relationship or marriage problems. What most channel do is that they will just use their experience or gather some information to tackle some situation, or to answer some questions. Okay, or some people will just go to blogs and copy some contents there and just try to reframe and do other sort of things and give to you guys. So this reality opinion is just people opinion, people real opinion. It will just be as if you are meeting with people that are facing the same challenges, or people that have already overcome the same challenge, just as if they are sharing their experience with you. They are sharing the way you can get out of that kind of issue or something. Let's assume, take for instance now this topic now that says how to make my man happy. Okay, you will be hearing from people that have deep experience about this, what they are practicing every day that makes their man happy. So these are the things I will be doing to learn more and more, to grow a relationship, to make your marriage so unique. Okay, now we are getting started. I have so many people opinions now, so I'm titling this video how to make my man happy under reality opinion, and this is the episode 1. I think this channel will be the first channel to introduce this kind of thing. Okay, so, and I believe right from this very moment you'll be enjoying any video you come across in Daniel.T Relationship channel. So that's why you have to subscribe to this channel, so that you will never lose a single video. You never lose a single video on this channel. Okay, so if you just dare to snooze, come on, you will lose. So subscribe now. So now we are starting, and I'll be giving you people opinion. Okay, so like I said, like I promised, I'll be giving you people opinion, what people are saying about this, people that have the experience, people that are passing through it. So the way they do it, the way they get rid of making their man to get mad at them and all that. So right here now, the first thing you need to do to make your man happy is listen to him when complain. So this is what this person says. He said you should listen to your man when your man is complaining. Okay, now let me see what this one says. He said calling him pet names and respect him. Can you see that now? So I'm not just bringing this from my head or copying from somewhere else. As you can see, I'm displaying the opinions on the screen, as you can see, so you can read it as well. So now let's move forward, how you can make your man happy. See, don't joke with all these points. Okay, this is what people are practicing that is working for them, so this can work for you as well. You can make your man be the happiest man on earth if you apply all these things. Okay, now this person says respect, peace of mind and love. Can you hear that? Respect your man, give him peace of mind and love him genuinely. Okay, even if you have been following me right from time, I've been saying this often and often, that you have to respect your man, give your man peace of mind and all that. So let's see what this person says. It said loving and caring. So you love and care. As you can see now, we have love in different ways from different people. Then care is very common, respect is common as well. Then as we'll be going, I think you'll be seeing what I'm talking about. Now encourage and love him. See, I just created one video now before this one, that how to make your man happy. It's also how to make your man happy. So I also talk about you being encouraging your man when your man feels depressed, when your man feels stranded and all that. You try to encourage your man. So this now said encourage and love him. Okay, So now, as you can see, this is a reality opinion. Okay, so you just have to take to, follow the formula, and it will work for your marriage. Now let's see what this woman said. She said, I called him those pet names he loves. I make his favorite meal and always remind him how much I love him. Can you hear that? I call him those pets names. So do you have pet name for your man? That is good. That's the first question for you. Do you have pet name for your man? Let me know in the comment section below if you have pet name for your man, and you can tell me there the type of pet name that you have for your man. Okay. So and she said, I make his favorite meal. Can you hear that? Man like it when you are making their favorite meal. Man like food very well. The way man's system radiates to consume food is quite different from the one of woman. And she also said, and always remind him how much I love him. So now this woman always remind her husband how much she loves him. Okay. Now let's go down and see. Okay. This woman said, cook sweet food for him and give him peace. As you can see, food, peace, respect. So now this woman said, cook, respect, and love. As you can see now, respect is just so paramount. Now, cooking your husband best food or delicious meal for your husband is very, very important. By respecting him is very, very important, and so many others. So just be noting it down like that. So you need your biro now this time around. So just be you can pause this video, get your biro, and just try to be jotting things down. This is very, very important. It's going to help you a lot. The next slide, encouragement and hug. This woman now always encourage her husband and always hug him. You can see. So this is what is working for this woman now. It's telling you, she's telling us her own opinion about this, or her own experience. Now, this woman said, cooking dinner anytime. See, this anytime means cooking dinner whenever her husband requests for it. You don't say, I'm tired. Sure, you might be tired sometimes, but you must also be considerate sometimes just to make your man happy. If truly you want to make your man happy, you should be able to cook your husband meal at any time. Now, clean everywhere. Come on. This woman is still saying the same thing. Clean everywhere. See, me as somebody, I truly like a conducive environment. I like it when everywhere is well tidied. I don't like, mashing these small particles on the floor. Okay? See, it is very convenient for me if I discover that everywhere is messed up, or when I discover that the floor is just if I'm mashing or stepping on some particles on the floor. I don't care. I will just clean it myself. Okay, so I don't like dirty. Okay, I like when everywhere is well tidied up. So she also said, and attention, that is all. This one said, cooking dinner anytime, clean everywhere, respect and attention, that is all. So that is this woman experience. That is what she's applying to her home. That's how she's treating her husband, that make her husband happy. So depend on the kind of man you are dealing with. I think this is man talking here. We don't need man here. We need woman, right? We need woman experience. We need woman that are in marriage right now, that are that can give us their experience. No, we don't need man here. And this person says every man will be happy once his wife gives him peace of mind by providing his food as needed. As you can see now, food is also very, very important in man life. These people are telling us now that men are not playing with what? With food. Food is also very, very important to make a man happy. So this woman is talking about food here. Not being a nagging wife. You can see she's also telling us that you should not be a nagging wife if you want to make a man happy. So nagging means you're complaining all the time about your man. Supporting him the little you can and being respectful. Okay, I think we are moving faster now. I think we are getting something. Please be jotting something down. Okay, after this video, in the conclusion part, because I've listed all the points for you, let me tell you, the people opinion about this question, about this issue is over 1,000. So I just try to get some important ones, some genuine ones, some significant ones. Okay, so I've already listed all the great points, all the significant ones, so I'll call them out in the conclusion part. But make sure you wait the conclusion part so that for you to get, so that you can gain more. Because as I'm saying it now, you might not be jotting anything down, but in the conclusion part, I will make sure that I, list everything for you. You can jot everything down and practice them. So let's move down. This person say, there's nothing you do that can please a man. Is that true? Let me know in the comment section below right now. If it is true that there's something you can do to make a man happy, with all what we have been reading now, please let me know in the comment section. True or false? Now that's why I said this what's it called? This method of tackling issue about relationship and marriage is exceptional. This channel is the first channel ever that will introduce this. So that is why you have to subscribe to this channel now. Like this video if you are enjoying it and share with others. Okay, I want to know, is it true that there's nothing you do that can please a man? We all know that we human being, see, don't just let me go that way. Let me know in the comment section below. Now I'm going forward. Let's listen to this woman. I will keep his house clean. This is another opinion now. This is another experience. This is another method these people are using. Now, I will keep his house clean. Place water in the bathroom. Just like I said that I like when everywhere is tidying up. Okay, I don't like much, stepping on particles on the floor and all that. Now, this woman said, place water in the bathroom for him to shower while I dish out his food and dress his bed. You can see, and later surprise him. You can see now by taking him to shopping, bills or meal. You can hear that. Surprising your man is another key. Helping him for bed is another key. Dishing his food honorably is another key. I'm not saying it out from my head or I'm not just trying to crack something for you. No, I'm telling you people experience what they are doing presently that's working for them in their marriage. So these are the things you need to apply as well. Now let's see this woman. She said understanding him, you see, asking for his advice and opinion when I'm patient with him. You see, this woman now understanding him. See, if you're understanding your man, it means you listen to him first. You understand what he's saying and you put it into practice. You implement what he's telling you. It's not that your man complain about something today, tomorrow you forget. You still repeat the same thing. No, it's a total turn off for man. Okay? Now, she said asking for his advice and opinion. You can see that. See, you and your partner, you can't just do whatever things you like, just anyhow. Just like someone that doesn't have a rope on his neck. No. You ask for his opinion. Even as a man, you ask for your woman's opinion sometimes. Even sometimes. You shouldn't be doing something, without the consent of your partner. Now, she also said, when I'm patient with him, you don't mount pressure on man. If you mount pressure on your man, you just be, turning him off. Give him time. Be patient. If you need something from him, be patient. Okay, don't mount pressure on him. Just like I promised that I've already, written all the significant points down. Okay, so now if you have not been jotting anything since, so this is the time for you to pick your Bible now and jot everything down. So I'll be calling this out for you. Make sure you apply all this in your marriage. Your man will be very, very happy. Okay, so number 1 is care. Number 2, respect. Number 3, love. Number 4, cooking a nice meal. Number 5, support him. Number 6, understanding him. Then number 7, encourage him with hug. Then number 8, don't be a consumer alone. There are some that I didn't make mention of, so that is why you have to compile this list. So there are some here that I didn't even make mention of at all, so you have to take note of that. So I said number 7, encourage him with hug, right? Number 8, don't be a consumer alone. You have to support your man as well. So calling him pet name he loves, that's number 9. Number 10, make his best or favorite meal. Then number 11, remind him how much you loves him. Then number 12, sharing jokes with him. Number 13, give him peace of mind. Number 14, not being a nagging wife. Number 15, sex. Number 16, attention. Number 17, be independent. Don't be a dependent, okay? Number 18, understanding. Very, very important. Number 19, patience by giving him time. Then number 20, welcoming him with sweet tone. This alone will reduce his stress. I didn't make mention of this when I was explaining everything to you, so take note of this. Number 20 again, welcoming him with sweet tone. So number 21, respect. Number 22, playful. You have to be playful. Number 23, neatness. Okay. Number 23, neatness. Always clean everywhere. Now number 24, advise him. Why number 24, appreciate him. Number 25, appreciate him. Number 26, surprise him. Number 27, take him out for dates. Okay, and all bills on you. Okay, all bills on you if you want to take him out. So just try to surprise him with that. Why number 28, ask for his advice and opinion. Number 29, listen to him when complaining. When he's complaining, please listen to him. Then number 30, submissive. Be submissive. So I think you've gained a lot, and I believe you write everything down. So I believe you've learned a lot in this video. I believe I have blessed you, right? So if you truly like this video, smash the like button. Just keep it running. That is first. Then second, make sure to subscribe. This is just an introduction aspect. This is just still very small. Okay, I'll be bringing the mind-blowing ones for you. I'll be hitting your mind with great ones. Okay, getting people opinion, people experience for you to apply it in your marriage, to make your marriage work, to make it more effective and unique than before, to make it be a better place for you. Okay, so don't forget to share this video, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on, so whenever I publish content, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, so drop any of your opinion, and if you have any other ways that you are making your man happy, that you are applying to your marriage and make it so unique, drop it in the comment section below. People need it. It's valid. Okay, so and if you have any question, just try to ask me in the comment section below. And if you have any topic or anything that is bothering you that you want me to treat, or you want me to ask people to gather experience and people opinion, ask in the comment section, and I will take my time to make sure I place you. That is my work. That is my joy. That is my goal. That's what I want. That is the purpose of this channel. Okay, I believe you learn a lot. I love you and care for you.